Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 28, Quranic Verses, Respecting Muslims. Even they are weak and poor. And keep yourself patient, along with those who invoke their Lord morning and evening, seeking His face, His eternal good pleasure, and the meeting with Him in the hereafter. And do not let your eyes pass beyond them. Al-Kahf 18:28. Hadith number 146, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Ayman 9, Adab 61. Sahih Muslim, Jannah 47. Haritha ibn Wahb, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, Shall I inform you about the people of paradise? All who are weak and thought to be weak. If they were to take an oath by Allah, Allah would carry it out. Shall I tell you about the people of hell? All those who are coarse, domineering, and arrogant. Hadith number 147, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tafsir Surah 18/6. Sahih Muslim, Sifatul Munafiqeen 18. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, On the day of rising, a great hefty man will be brought forward, who is not worth the weight of a gnat's wing in the sight of Allah. Hadith number 148, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Janaiz 67. Sahih Muslim, Janaiz 71. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that a black woman or youth used to sweep the mosque. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, missed her and asked after her or him. They said she died. He said, Why did you not inform me? It was as if they thought little of her or him. He said, Show me the grave. They directed him to it, and he prayed over it. Then he said, These graves are filled with darkness surrounding their inhabitants. Allah the Almighty illuminates them for them by my praying over them. Hadith number 149, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Bur 138. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, There is many an unkempt person, driven away from doors, but if he were to swear an oath by Allah, he would fulfill it.